Welcome to my channel again. Today we shall be making Valentine wafer paper cake toppers. You can either use a heart cutter or you can draw a heart shape just like I did, because I didn't have a heart this big and I wanted a very big size. Okay, put it on your wafer paper and with this pointed tool that I'm using, I don't know the name or I can't remember it, just trace out your stencil on your wafer paper. When you are done, just cut it out. For each heart shape that you'll be using or needing, you need to cut out two, because the wafer paper is a bit thin, so you need to support it with two to support each other. So I'm using edible glue, which is made with CMC and water, and I'm just sticking my hearts together. Now for the hearts that will be standing on the cake, you need to put a toothpick in between so that they will be able to stand. So I am just putting that under my heart shape and putting another one over it. When you are done gluing them together, you need to let it dry completely. Make sure that you place them on a flat surface. If not, they are going to dry and take the shape of whatever you put them on. So make sure it's completely on a flat surface. So since it's Valentine, we'll be painting our hearts red. There is no red without Valentine. There is no Valentine without red color. Okay, so this is just ordinary water and I'm mixing my red gel food color to it. Now I'm just testing it just to make sure that it's red enough. Okay, so this is good enough. So make sure you dab out every extra water from your brush. If not, you are going to just be turning your wafer paper shape hearts into a pulp. Now ideally, when you are done with one shape, keep it and let it dry before you paint over the other side. But I was in a hurry, so I decided to paint it almost immediately. So my advice is paint one side, let it dry, and then you flip over and paint the other side. So my hearts are dry and I'm just adding some details to it. I'm using edible gold to paint the sides of my hearts. Now I'm just going to be gluing my hearts to my cake, and that is that. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share it, give us a thumbs up, and you can drop comments. We would like to hear from you. I'm wishing you a very happy Valentine. Thank you for watching.